Welcome to Little Curious Minds.
Hello kids, welcome to our fun guessing game. Are you ready? Let's play. Round 1. Can you guess the word before time runs out? Keyboard. Round 2. Look carefully. What word do these two pictures make? Rainbow. Round 3. Think fast kids, it's an easy one. Starfish. Round 4. Guess this sports word. Football. Round 5. Can you guess the word before time runs out? Firefly. Round 6. Easy or tricky? Let's see. Snowman. Round 7. Here comes another one. Toothbrush. Round 8. Can you guess this yummy word? Cupcake. Round 9. What word do these two pictures make? Sunflower. Round 10. Can you guess one more time? Pancake. Awesome job, kids!